What are you gonna have? Hey. So we have finished the training. It was fantastic. Day one. And इसने कुछ अच्छा फुटेज लिया. मैं गिर भी गया.
अभी बाद में दिखेंगे.
मैं देखता अभी गिरा क्या और इसने फुटेज लिया कि नहीं.
अभी पता चलेगा.
मैं तो खुद का गिरते हुए नहीं ले सकता हूँ, लेकिन तभी भी मजा आया यार. गिरना चाहिए, गिर के ही उठना चाहिए.
और क्या, तो गिरेगा नहीं तो उठेगा कैसे?
हाँ, गिरेगा नहीं तो उठेगा कैसा. So day one over. Day two will continue tomorrow. So till then, to all the lovely people who are watching this video, stay blessed, love you all, and mwah,
Keep rocking.
keep rocking. Okay guys, day 2 of the Triumph Global Training Academy. Yesterday was a very fantastic experience. I hope we got to learn a lot, learned a lot, and more to come. Yes, I've seen the comments in Instagram saying that I've ridden the world, all terrains. Why do I need a training? But I need a training because I've ridden on roads. Most of them are off roads. What we are doing is hardcore off-roading. That is where my weak point lies, and I want to eliminate my weak points in riding. So I'm taking a training here. The reason I didn't train before the world ride was my ligament was gone. तभी भी है अभी भी still there is a problem but it is okay. But you have to learn, right? So having an adventure bike and not doing adventure is, you know, so that's why I would like to learn more on this in this category. So let's see. Till then, love you all. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Yep. Yeah. You can use this.
Wrong, way through.
No, the extra points are wrong for camping out in the back garden. Alto, where are we?
Alto, well done.
Ready?
Ready?
Ready.
Debashish?
Yeah. Thank you.
Phil, come on, Phil.
Arunava?
Arnava. Thank you. Congratulations.
John, well done, John.
Ian, there we go. There we go, one for Anthony.
Well done, Anthony.
Robert? Feeling it
Rob.
too?
That's on the weekend, yeah.
Richard? And
Thank you.
Oliver, last but not least.
Well done,
Congratulations.
Okay, top guys, brilliant, fantastic 2 days and riding.
One world, one ride.
I hope the camera does justice to this. What a wonderful view. Because of fog you can't see anything, but then it is superb. Just mind blowing. And the roads are